Russian troops have launched 2 strikes on the AFU's military facilities in Kharkiv. One of the explosions took place near the terminals and hangars of the international airport from which the UAVs were launched. In the Svatov sector, the AFU are trying to regain control of the heights near Novoselivske. Russian troops are successfully repelling attacks and responding with artillery strikes on enemy positions. To the south, position battles continue near Torska and in the area of the Zhuravka. Despite numerous counterattacks, the AFU failed to recapture the positions liberated by Russian troops. On the southern flank of Bakhmut's defense, the AFU continue to storm the defenses near Klishchivka. Russian units managed to fend off the attack, but the situation around the village remains quite tense. In the Avdiivka sector, the parties are conducting mutual reconnaissance and pulling additional forces to the front line. Russian artillery is regularly firing at exposed enemy concentration areas, hitting the AFU personnel and equipment. The AFU have again launched a massive strike on Donetsk. Administrative buildings, residential buildings, and several vehicles were damaged in the city. 3 people died, and 13 others were wounded. In the Vremivka sector, Russian troops are conducting positional attacks in an attempt to dislodge the enemy from Staromayerske. At the same time, active counter-battery fire continues along the entire front line. In the Zaporizhia direction, the enemy again attempted to advance in the Robotyne and Pyatakhatki areas. Russian units held their positions, repelling all attacks with small arms and artillery fire. Russian troops have launched a missile strike on an enemy deployment point in Kryvyi Rih. Ukrainian air defenses failed to repel the attack and once again fired ammunition at a residential building.